Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix TPM 2.0 error on Valorant Windows 10 or 11. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, right-click on your Start button or press the Windows key. Then navigate to Settings. Here, go to System and scroll down and click on Recovery. Then start now to access the startup setup. In the Advanced section, locate the AMD TPM switch. Navigate to the BIOS settings, specifically under the Advanced tab, and find PTT, click on it to proceed. Go to the Boot section and locate Secure Boot. Enter into it and choose Windows UEFI mode for the OS type. Go to the Exit tab and select Save Changes and Reset. Then confirm by pressing Enter. Your system will now reboot with the new configuration. Verify that your settings are correct and click OK. Your system should now boot up properly, resolving the issue. So that's basically how you can fix TPM 2.0 error on Valorant Windows 10 or 11. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.